The Lucas Laser Castle is the latest laser safety enclosure for optical tables made in the UK by Lasermet. It is a fast self-assembly laser enclosure. It's fully interlocked for laser safety. It complies to the laser safety standards and provides full safe access to the optical table. Here it is mounted on rails on an optical table with plenty of access to the table itself. Let's have a look around. On the left is the warning sign, and you'll see the left-hand unit, followed by the right-hand unit behind the Laser Safety Interlock Controller. You'll see the small silver magnetically operated switches and the distribution connection box for the laser. On the end panel, the cable entryways are on either side. On the inside, you will see that hardly any table space is taken by the enclosure, and when the unit is pushed back, there is full access to the table. To arm the laser, switch the interlock on, turn the key and press the arm button. The sign changes from green to red, showing the laser is armed. To access the optical table, first switch off the interlock controller. Then unplug the connectors at the left-hand end and gently pull off the end panel, which is held in place by magnets. Unlock the locking pin and slide the unit back to gain access to the table. Once complete, slide the unit back again, lock the locking pin and replace the end panel. Simply plug the connectors back in, switch the interlock back on, turn the key and press the arm button. Again, the sign changes its colour and message. To gain table access at the other end, switch off the controller, unplug 3 connectors this time, and remove the end panel. Then unlock the locking pin, revealing the cable entries, and slide the unit back to get to the table. Once complete, slide the unit back, lock it in place and carefully replace the end panel. And plug in the 3 connectors. The distribution box provides 2 connections with volt-free contacts and 2 connections with 24 volts DC when the laser is armed as shown. So there you have it, the Lucas Laser Castle, the easily assembled, rail-mounted laser safety enclosure, providing fully enclosed laser protection in the lab while enabling safe and full optical table access.